Hi, this is Adam from My Sales UK, and today I want to talk to you about the Laser Light No Cut transfer paper from Forever. This is a one-step transfer paper for white or pale garments using the Oaky White Toner printer. Very easy paper to use. You have a coated side and the logo side. We always print onto the coated side. This goes into the front of the Oaky printer, which we load in like so, and we're ready to go. Printing your image, we always use the Forever transfer rip, and again with this paper, because we're using laser light, we're going to use the Laser Light No Cut profile. The image we're going to print, we can select from our drop down list of the previous jobs. Going through the rip, there's 5 steps, and again step 3 is an area which we'll cover on another video further down the line, where you can tweak and enhance your images if you so wish. Within the rip, you can also alter the level of white toner. Because we're printing onto a white t-shirt in this instance, we only need a very, very low level of white. We don't need to increase it. I'm also going to ask it just to crop back the edges of the logo a little bit, and we're going to send it to print. The image will now go through the rip, transfer that data to the machine, and will print direct onto the fabric. Something to bear in mind with this transfer paper as well, it is predominantly for white garments, but please don't forget this can be used onto pale garments as well. So if you had like a pale green or yellow or pastel shades, probably even up to like an ash grey t-shirt, you could still use laser light products. The darker the shirt, you'll have more of a vintage type look. The white and the colours won't be as vivid as they would do with laser dark no cut, but it could add something different to your designs. Today though, we'll be pressing it onto a white t-shirt, which is where it's predominantly used. So we'll just wait for the transfer to come out of the back of the printer. And here now you can see the image that we've printed on. So again on the coated side, not on the logo side. We're going to use the Fusion IQ heat press to press this onto a garment, and we're going to use just a standard industry white t-shirt and load it onto the press. Again, my favourite is to have the neck of the shirt this end. This allows you to not lean over the garment. It also allows you to get things straighter on the machine, and you can see the label. It just makes life a little bit easier. As always, shirts can be creased or dirty or fluffy. Pressing them for a few seconds flattens the fibres, giving you a better transfer reproduction. Particularly with the laser light product, I find this key, and it is a good little tip to note, that doing this 5 to 10 seconds gives you a much better print. And you'll see when I pull this out, you have a nice flat area to work with. You take hold of the transfer paper, face down, allow to get it all straight, slide it back under the press, and we give this 15 seconds. What we do after the first 15 seconds, we don't peel the transfer straight away, as this needs sort of a warm peel, not hot. So with a bit of t-shirt fabric, we'll be rubbing this over the inked area for 5 to 10 seconds before we peel it. So again now with my t-shirt, quite firm, give it a good rub. And then from the front corner, nice and slow and low, just peel back the paper, releasing the toner onto the garment. then finish the transfer, we use the matte finishing paper, which is a product from Forever that seals the garment, seals the transfer, and gives it its washability. These sheets are reusable, I would say, until you get creases on them, because that can transfer into the transfer. 30 seconds. This is now sealing it, giving it its durability, stretchability. Once it's done, that's it, it's finished. So we've just got 15 more seconds. Again, time and temperatures you can get from our website or speak to some member of the technical support team. Everything's there for you if you ask. So we can pull out the transfer, peel away the matte finishing paper, and your t-shirt's finished.